Why do Transformers hum? Because they don't know the words.
But seriously, getting utilities like electricity to our houses and schools is no joke. We need electricity to run the TV and gas to power the furnace.
In the future, maybe we'll use more wind or solar power energy to make our world hum along.
No matter what powers the things we use every day, it's up to companies like Touchstone Energy Electric Cooperatives to keep things running smoothly. It takes workers at businesses like Franklin Electric, where in more than 14 different locations, they create parts for clean water systems all across northern Indiana and around the world.
Meter readers keep busy by going from business to business. Hey, you could be a meter reader in a hard hat today at J.A. Biztown.
Designing the power grids are engineers and technicians. Specialists of all kinds operate deep-sea oil refineries and giant wind turbines like the ones a few miles away in Ohio.
Science-minded men and women are working on the future of energy too.
Working on efficient energy solutions, the J.A. Biztown environmental specialists will spend time with the town's businesses doing that.
Thomas Edison invented the first practical light bulb. Even earlier in the 1830s, the electric carriage was designed.
Edith Flanagan got 108 patents in oil research before she retired in 1994. Smart woman.
Because of inventors like them, we have light any time of the day and electric cars in our garages.
The next energy source could come from your head. I'll be watching for it.